The straight line L has the equation 3y equals 4x plus 7. The point A has coordinates 3 minus 5. Find an equation of the straight line that's perpendicular to L and passes through A. So what I need to do first is I need to rearrange this first equation because I want it to look like y equals mx plus c. Remember, if a straight line is in that equation, in that form, then the m represents the gradient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides of this equation by 3. It will give me y equals 4/3 x plus 7 over 3. I've divided the 4 and the 7 separately by 3 there, rather than do like a big line, because then I can clearly see what the gradient is. It is 4 over 3. Now, I want the equation of the line that's perpendicular to this. That means that that line has gradient minus 3 over 4. In order to find the gradient of a line that's perpendicular to another line, you flip over the gradient you've got and change the sign. So 4 over 3 becomes minus 3 over 4. We don't know what the plus c is at the moment, so that's going to be the next thing that we want to find out. Now, because they've given us the point A that this line goes through, what I can do is substitute the x and the y coordinate here into this equation and rearrange it to find out what c is. So they tell us that y is minus 5 when x is 3. If I substitute x equals 3 into here, I'll multiply the 3 by the other 3 and get minus 9 over 4. Then, to find the c, I just need to add this 9 over 4 to the other side. Now, this is a calculator paper, so we'll use a calculator to do this next bit. Minus 5 add 9 over 4 gives us minus 11 over 4. So c is minus 11 over 4. There are ways to do that without a calculator, but we've got a calculator, so we'll just use it. That means my final answer is y equals minus 3/4 x. The c is minus 11 over 4. So that is the equation of the straight line that's perpendicular to L and passes through the point A.